Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Olivier and Alima. Today I'm going to show you how you can create for free a stunning website to promote your t-shirt. The website will look like this one here, and all you will need is an access to Google Sheet, which is also free. Let's get right into it. First of all, if it's your first time, welcome. My name is Oliver, and I'm bringing you tips and tricks on how to make money online with print on demand. The website we're gonna use to create our website is called Spread Simple, and you can use the link below to have access to 7-day free trial, but also after the 7-day free trial on the pro version, you will continue to have access for free, as you can see here, but only for one website. So if you would like to have more than one, then you will have to upgrade to the pro version. But if you are only doing one website at a time, it will stay free forever. So once you have access using the link below to the website, what you're gonna do is to open a Google Sheet. And on this Google Sheet, all you will need is a column, is 5 columns here that we have. The first column is gonna contain the name. Second column, the price. Third column, the description. Fourth, the link. And the last one, the image URL. I'm gonna show you how you can have this information for free as well. All you have to do is to go to your Mesh dashboard, and using the Chrome extension Productor, when you click on the product, you will have access to a dashboard like that. As a selection, I choose live product, only t-shirt, and then on the title, I wanted to do a website based on Ninja. I have a few Ninja design here, so that's why when I enter title here Ninja, those are 6 products. Okay. Once you have made your filter, and also I have the marketplace here only for US. Okay. Now, if you are promoting, of course, for another marketplace, you're going to select the marketplace that you want to create the website for. As for me, it's the US. Once you have everything, what you have to do is to select by clicking the radio button here, and then you click on this arrow, export selected, and you're going to select here, product only Excel. You click on it, and you wait for Productor to download the information. You click on save, and what happened on my site, sometimes when I download using the Chrome extension, the extension is kind of with no, there is no product type at the end. So what you have to do, if the same thing happened to you, all you have to do is to click add at the end of the file name .xlsx, which is basically Excel. So you click on that, and then you open the file. It's a huge file that will contain a lot of information, all your product information basically. If you are using Excel, you will have to enable editing, and we're gonna remove the column that we are not interested in. For example, the brand, I can delete that. I keep the price. Bullet points, I'm gonna remove them to keep only the description. I'm gonna remove the color and a few columns as well. I'm gonna keep only the 5 columns that I showed you earlier. So I can remove those one here and remove again a lot of columns. And I have the edit URL at only 2, but I need the mockup URL. Okay, so I'm gonna remove all of that. Niche I can remove as well. Title I can remove. File name I remove. And then I have live URL, and last one that I remove is this one. So I have my 5 columns: title, price, description. The mockup URL is basically the image URL. So I'm gonna call it image URL. And the live URL is basically the link of the product on Amazon. So these are the 5 columns that I have. Now that I have the 5 columns, I have to copy the cells here, all the cells, and then I'm gonna open a Google Sheet. I can create a new one, and I'm gonna just paste it here. And you paste. Okay. Once you paste, what you have to do, you're gonna make. You can change the name here of the file if you want to. I'm gonna call it website test. Okay. And what I want to make sure is that the file here is accessible to anyone with the link, because we're gonna upload the link here of the Google Sheet to our website, to create our website. So in order to make sure that the file here is accessible to everyone with the link, what I will have to do is to click on share here, and I'm gonna change the restricted that we have at the bottom with anyone with the link. Okay, now I can copy the link and done. Now I go back to the website spreadsimple.com. I go to my dashboard. I'm gonna create a website, and I paste the Google Sheet link here, and I click on continue. Automatically all the products are uploaded and the website is created. I have to make a few changes. For example, title is the title, price is the price, description is description, image URL is the image, and I have to choose for the buy option. I click on the link for redirect, and it's gonna be the link here. And now if I check, I have my buy button right there, and everything else can stay the same. I can save at this point. If you want to change the header here, all you have to do is to go to design. When I click on the header, you can activate or deactivate. You can go to page intro, bring your idea to life. I can change here shop our ninjas design, for example, and you can change as well the subtitle here, but I'm gonna leave it just to save time. So you save. So just as that, if you have a custom domain, you can change the domain and add your custom domain by clicking here. But if I don't want to, I just click on publish and save. Just like that, my website is ready. I can copy the link, and if I go even to incognito now, I can paste my website link here. I press enter, and just like that, here is my brand new website. In less than 15-20 minutes, I will say, all products automatically uploaded. And if I share this link on my social media and any other website where it's possible to share, like Pinterest, like Instagram, and any other, if someone is interested in one of my design, depending on my niche, like you can directly click on buy here, and it is automatically redirected to Amazon to make the purchase. You see the power of this website. Definitely something that we have to work on. I discovered it a few weeks ago, and I thought that I need to share it with my subscriber. This is what I wanted to share with you today. If you want more videos on how you can, for example, share the link to any other website, please let me know in the comments. Thank you for your time, and have a nice day.